Today we're going to be hearing Clara and the Book Wagon, Chapter 3. The Black Wagon. One summer day, Clara and Papa were weeding the garden patch. "Clara," Mama called, "I am going to make blueberry jam. Would you like to pick the blueberries?" "Oh, yes," said Clara. She looked at Papa. Papa smiled. "You have been weeding a long time," he said. "I will finish this job." Clara took the bucket and ran to the wild blueberry field. She sang as she picked the blueberries. Suddenly she saw something coming down the road. It was a big black wagon. The wagon was pulled by two horses. A lady was driving it. She waved and stopped. Clara stared at the wagon. It was filled with books. "Hello," called the lady. "I am Miss Mary, the librarian. And who are you?" Clara told Miss Mary her name. "Did you ride all the way from the city?" Clara asked. "Indeed," said Miss Mary. "Do you like our new moving library?" "Oh, my, yes," said Clara. "I never knew there were so many books in the world." Miss Mary said, "We have books for the young, we have books for the old, and we have books for the people in between." "Do you have any for a girl like me?" Clara asked. "Indeed," said Miss Mary. "We have Mother Goose and Father Goose. We have The Wizard of Oz and all the Magic of Oz tales. We have The Rabbit Witch and Peter Pan and poems of every kind." Clara could hardly say a word.